So this is about a young lady who came to us from South Sudan. Now this is a very typical geography because in this country there's been a very acute lack of medical resources, and it's been ravaged by war. So what happened was 15 years ago she had a injury to the left hip, which led to a fracture in the hip. Unfortunately, there were not much medical facilities available. So because of that, she ended up having a conservative management in which a surgery was not able to done.
I'm from South Sudanese. I was get accident 2009. My accident injury, it was disturbing me a lot. But today I came Indian and they make me treatments.
Now, when she came to us, we saw that she was limping with pain and she was barely able to manage her daily activities. She had a shortening of around 3 centimeters in her leg, and she was barely managing her normal day-to-day work. So with the x-rays and other investigations, we found out that she had a fracture in the hip which had not united. So she had a non-union of the fractured neck of femur, as we say medically, and the bone had resorbed. So because of that, she had developed a shortening in the leg.
We came earlier this year, January 3rd, that's when we landed in India, New Delhi. And we came to a hospital known as Sanar International Hospital. The doctor, the surgeon, orthopedic surgeon in charge of the surgery, is called Dr. Rohit Lamba. So the doctor told us after the x-ray, he told us she needed total hip replacement. That replaced all the head of the femur.
So now we planned a total hip replacement in her case. We used the uncemented implants with ceramic and poly bearing, which give us a very good life of around 30 to 35 years as an implant life.
So the surgery it happened for about 3 hours. It took 3 hours to complete. I was in the waiting room and the nurses came and told me it was finished. So they showed me the x-ray of the surgery. It was pretty good, it was nice. So I thank Sanar Hospital. I thank the doctors. I thank Dr. Rohit Lamba and his team. I thank the nurses for the support they showed us.
I thank God. Of course, I came here. I get the doctor. She make a treatment very well to me in Sanar Hospital International. Now I'm feel better.
And here she is now after the surgery. Her pain is gone, her limp is gone. She has achieved exact equal length of the legs, and she's on her way to recovery and enjoying the success of the surgery. Thank you so much.